Where?
Good morning, stalkers. So today is Friday. We've got a bunch of running around to do. We gotta get stickers for both vehicles, and then we've got my checkup OB appointment in London to go to. But first we're gonna do the stickers. Yeah. What time is it?
10:40.
11 o'clock, so we'll go do the stickers, come back, or go do the stickers and then head to London and then come home. I don't know what we're gonna do, but yeah. Want to see something funny? It's my shirt. I look normal from the front and I look super pregnant from the side. Take a look. It's cute. I mean, like, I'm losing my hourglass figure, but do I look normal?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
It's like optical illusion. It's like no?
Yes.
So big, but so tiny. Are you zooming in on just my face?
No.
What are you zooming in on? My boob?
No.
My belly?
Your face down to your, I don't know, the bottom of your shirt.
I don't have to do that sometimes. There's a baby in there! And now my butt. Nope, now it's Lily. Okay, we're done with this. You getting this pill? So we just got done at the Service Ontario. I got my passport papers that I need to fill out to get my passport redone. And then we stopped in at the Chinese food place so Matt could get his spring egg rolls. So Matt could get his egg rolls, which he absolutely loves, and this is the only place that does them like he likes. And he also got Chinese food with that. I stopped at the little bakery coffee shop in there and got myself a macaroon madness or something like that, but yeah. There's Matt's half eaten. So we got done at our hospital appointment. Now just, if you want, get over in this right lane. And we're gonna go through the lights and it just goes right into the highway. So we got finished our hospital appointment checkup, which was nice. Took almost 2 hours, but we made it. We also stopped and got Popeye's chicken because it's fucking awesome.
It's only okay.
I like it. I like these little mini slider Delta minis. Is that what they're called? I didn't know what they were called, but I got some of those and we're just snacking out. We're on our way back home to Sarnia. Nice hour drive now. Yeah. Matthew's playing Dark Souls 3 with my brother.
Yep.
I'm a nap. Yeah.
I think this late at night is just called sleeping.
Napping. Guess where the cat is.
Is she stuck? Where? I thought she was behind the box.
So did I. What are you doing?
Come on, Ellie. She's a good girl. How'd she get in there?
She probably jumped out into sit and just oh my god. I came in here, I'm like, what is that noise? And then I'll just the deepest pissed off meow. Oh, that's priceless. Well, it's the end of the night. We're gonna head to bed and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Good morning, stalkers. Today is, what is today, Saturday?
Saturday.
Today is Saturday. Woke up this morning and we are having hollandaise with poached eggs and English muffins. I stole the 3 eggs, Matt only got 2, so he's upset with that, and I'm making another English muffin with Nutella. But I'm pregnant, so I get 3 eggs. That's just how it works. But yeah, just relaxing. Matt turned off my vacuum because apparently I'm not allowed to use it when he's home. So weekends are gonna be hairy weekends, and then it's a lot of cleaning for me on Monday.
First of all, it's a lot of cleaning for the robot on Monday. Second of all, it's loud as fuck. I'm trying to watch TV.
So I was just fiddling around, finally decided to do my nails. It's been like 6 months since I've done them. I'm just keeping them nice and short, but I want to feel beautiful, so I decided I'm gonna do them. I just did the gel right now. Matt and I are gonna go in the basement and work on the trim, and then we'll come back up and I'll probably finish my nails. But yeah, I've been sitting there for the past like 2 hours just doing them. The first set always takes forever. And then I get up and look over here, and someone has weaseled her way up onto the couch. Yeah. It's like, what I say doesn't even matter.
She's on the blanket.
You
know the rules.
She's on the couch.
No, she's not.
What do you think you're doing?
Point to where she's touching the couch.
There.
No. She's on the blanket.
You supposed to be on it? I don't think so.
Yeah, she's totally allowed to be on the blanket.
Because it's technically not on the couch?
It's not on the couch. It's
Oh my
not even
God.
technically, it just isn't.
Okay, let's work on the basement.
Alright.
So we just worked for a little bit in the basement, but we gotta go to the Home Depot tomorrow to get some stuff that we were missing. So we're gonna call it quits for tonight, and we're just making dinner right now. I made some chicken Caesar wraps, and Matt's got some grilled cheese cooking. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna make, but we'll see. So Matt's playing Dark Souls 3 with my brother. I managed to finish my nails. It's been a long time since I've done my nails, but yeah, they turned out pretty cute. There's some mistakes, but I don't really give a shit. I did the laser nails. Here's what they look like.
There's another one. Shut up.
Good morning, stalkers. So today is Sunday, and we are in the kitchen making breakfast / lunch and putting together a grocery list for click and collect that we're gonna pick up. Got some shit to do today. We gotta go and pick up some trim to finish the basement and a corner metal wall piece for a piece of drywall that keeps getting bummed up. So fix that and then it's good to go. But right now we're just having lunch. Made toasted tomato sandwich on garlic bread. Look at that deliciousness. Oh yeah. So someone gets to fine dine in a second. We've heated up a leftover Scotch egg, and Daddy is cutting it up for him currently. Oh my goodness. For one special puppy. And 2 at a time. No chewing. Are you serious? Did you taste it?
Good boy.
Alright, so we're out and about. We are going to the hardware store because we got to get some trim for the basement to finish up the one window, and yeah, I think that's all we're doing out here.
Is that it? We need one piece of trim?
One piece of trim, and we need that metal piece for the corner.
Okay.
with it.
My hair looks even wonkier from the side. You gotta cut it.
I'm
Like,
going to cut your hair
so
today.
much going on here. It's not good. Look at it, you can't. Fuck it.
I guess I gotta cut his hair today as well.
Yeah, you do.
After we're all done the trim and
That's
stuff.
ridiculous.
And we gotta pick up groceries at 7 or sometime after that. Who knows? But yeah, heading to the hardware store. Currently in Home Depot, and no matter what, every time we come down here, we always end up coming to the tools section because Matt likes to look at tools. Because he's a big tool. What you got?
Hips.
Oh, because yours are shit?
No.
Oh, just to bring it home easier?
Yeah. It's been 19 miles long.
And we are off. Alright, we are doing beef stroganoff for dinner. Got the, well actually like ground turkey stroganoff, but it's still good. I don't know, like beef is just too heavy for my stomach. And turkey is at least, why don't you wash the pan there? And then use it. Or not, that's okay too. So we're having beef stroganoff and salad, maybe some veggies, but we're gonna start cooking. Matt and I are just gonna head out now to go get our groceries. There's a couple things that they didn't have on the website, so we're gonna have to run in and get them because we know they have it. It's just they haven't updated completely on their system everything they have. So there wasn't, we weren't able to add a couple of the things that we wanted. So we're just gonna go in and get them after we get the click and collect. But I just got the email saying it is ready and for pickup. So we are going there now. Well, it's the end of the night. We're gonna head to bed. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to our channel to give you guys some reasons to smile. Good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.